A Chicago judge upheld his decision to appoint a special prosecutor in the Jussie Smollett case, despite the actor's legal team's efforts to block the appointment, which they called a, quote, travesty of justice. The independent investigator will now look at how the Smollett case was handled and why the state's attorney's office dropped all charges against him. Matt Finn in Chicago with more. Matt.
Harris, Jussie Smollett's legal team was just in court here in Chicago, basically making an 11th hour attempt to try to stop this special prosecutor, but a veteran judge denied all of their efforts. Smollett's lawyers from celebrity attorney Mark Garagos' law firm filed a series of motions in recent weeks arguing in part that the special prosecutor should be stopped, alleging the judge that ruled in favor of the special prosecutor is flawed because he has a presumption of guilt against Smollett. Today, that veteran judge disagreed, saying this is not about Smollett's guilt or innocence, rather how state's attorney Kim Foxx mishandled the investigation. Smollett's legal team also submitted a few other motions to intervene, but they were all thrown out today. So now the search continues for an independent prosecutor to investigate Smollett's case. The actor faces the same or even new criminal charges. Former Illinois Appellate Justice Sheila O'Brien is the woman who successfully petitioned the courts for this special prosecutor, arguing something always smelled about the case. Here is former Justice O'Brien and then Smollett's attorney describing the actor's current state.
The court found that she said she recused herself, and so we have to have another person take a look at the Jussie Smollett case and decide what's to be done in it. We're going back to square one on the people versus Jussie Smollett.
He's holding up. He's a very resilient young man. He has been through a lot, but he has tremendous support. And those who know him know he was not involved, and they continue to stand by him.
And Harris, this afternoon, the city of Chicago is suing Jussie Smollett for hundreds of thousands of dollars in damages. And also the FBI is reportedly investigating Smollett for a death threat letter that Chicago police say he sent himself. Harris.
Well, that one person you talked to was talking about we're going back to square one in the investigation. It certainly sounds like it. Matt Finn, thank you very much.